These Amazon stores are really coming for everybody's neck because why are y'all paying over $300 for your bundles? There's no need. Ooh, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm working with a very popular hair company. You guys definitely had to have heard of them if you keep up with YouTube and you follow people like Ashley Devonna, Tiara Walker, like those kind of people. They all wear this hair, and it's from Unice Hair, and I'm reviewing their Bodywave hair from their Amazon store. So they have like a regular website, and then they have their Amazon store. So I'm guessing wherever their warehouse is, they ship the bundles to the Amazon place so that you can order it through Amazon and get 2-day shipping, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to talk to you guys all about this hair, the specs, the price, everything, and just get into this look because y'all know I'm going to spill all the tea. I'm going to tell you guys everything, what I like, what I don't like. Yeah, so we're going to get right into the video. Let's get it popping. Okay, so let me pull up the specs. You guys know I always have my computer right here, so that's why I'm looking down. Just want to tell you guys what I got. Okay, so I have the Unice Hair Brazilian Body Wave in the lengths 14, 16, 18, and I have a 12-inch 13x4 frontal on this wig that I constructed myself on an extra large size dome cap because your girl has a big head. So yeah, and all of that together came up to $150.99. 3 bundles and a frontal for $151. That's crazy. That's literally insane. These Amazon stores are really coming for everybody's neck because why are y'all paying over $300 for your bundles? There's no need to pay over $300 for your bundles. This is some quality hair. And when I say quality, I try a lot of different hair. I do. I must admit. And they all start to feel similar. Like, when you feel good hair, you know you felt good hair. And when you feel hair that's more on the drier side, you know it's more on the drier side. This hair is absolutely one of the softest hairs I've ever experienced. And it's light. It's like airy almost. Like, it has so much like flow to it. I don't know if like the video is gonna do it justice, like the camera. I don't know if you guys can just see how light it is and just how fluffy and bouncy, but I really love it. And it was actually much longer than this. Well, much longer. I think I cut off about, it was like down to here, the 18, but I cut it to like where my bra is because it was just an awkward length and it looked really thin at the bottom because I only had one 18-inch bundle. So I just cut it up to, I think this would be considered 16. I just cut it a little bit, and when it's curled it gives me this bob action, so I'm really feeling it. I don't have the wig attached to my head right now, so that's actually good so that you guys can look at the frontal. It's a little jagged. I know I have to fix it, but I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. It looks really natural. I'm wearing the wig with the wig grip, so if you look at the part, you'll see it's really brown right here. My wig grip is this color, so I just have to either bleach the knots or tint the lace just so it looks, you know, all the same color. But yeah, the wig grips really work. I have a video on that coming soon too because wig grips are my life. But back to the hair. It's just really soft and bouncy. It literally will go wherever you want it to go. Like, you can wear it on either side, down the middle, and it's so soft. It's really and it feels, because I've had really soft hair before, but none that is this airy and light and just bouncy. Like, it's so bouncy, and I wish that you guys could just like come through the screen and feel it, but it just feels so good. So Unice really has some great quality hair. Let me just see. It doesn't say what grade the hair is, you know, like 5A, 8A. It doesn't say, but this has to be like up there because it feels so nice. I co-washed the bundles. I did everything to make sure that the hair was good before I put it on the wig, and I cannot complain. The only thing that I wish I did, I kind of sewed my frontal on wrong. so it doesn't reach down to my sideburns. So my next wig, I really wish that I could start over and do this hair really good justice with a new frontal, because I messed it up and it's so annoying, and I already made the wig and I use hot glue to make my wig, so like it's gonna be a bitch and a half to get it off and do another wig. But if this company would be so nice to send me another frontal so that I could try it again, I would really appreciate it, because it's my fault. Like, I sewed the frontal down wrong because I'm not used to making frontal wigs. I usually make closure wigs, as you guys saw in a couple of my videos, or you'll be seeing soon. I don't know when these videos are going up. That's another thing. My uploading schedule is just all over the place. As you guys know, I work a full-time job, so it's really hard for me to film and record. That's the same thing. It's hard for me to film and edit and post and like make the thumbnail and do it. It takes a lot of effort. It takes hours and hours to, you know, get the video from here at the camera to on the computer for you guys to see it. So it just takes me a little bit more time, and I'm working with so many companies and yada yada, and I just have so much content that I literally want to vomit out to you guys. So I always speak it into existence in my videos so that I can hold myself to it. The Clayee hair review is literally probably gonna go up right after this. And so yeah, the hair is a bomb. Like, I can't say any more good things about it. It speaks for itself. You can literally see how soft and bouncy it is, and as much as I've been touching, no shedding. And I cut every single weft. Like, when I tell you every single weft was cut, and I got no shedding. So that means that these bundles are constructed so well and so tight to where the strands just don't come falling out. And that could be a problem. If you have a lot of shedding, it might not be annoying in the beginning, but after a while, you'll see that your wig is going to start thinning out, and all of a sudden, you'll have this much hair left on it, you know? So, and this is only 3 bundles, and it looks so thick. So yeah, I would really, really recommend this hair if you are on a budget. Not even if you're just on a budget. Like, if you like to splurge on something else. Get you some bomb hair for a good price, okay? So yeah, I talked about everything, right? It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed, thick, bouncy, it co-washed well. It is a body wave, so it's barely a wave to it, but it's there, you know? And this hair does hold a curl really well. I had this wig sitting on my wig head for about 5 days in these same curls, so they hold really well. And even when you wear the wig all day, it still holds a curl without any hairspray. I have no product in this hair. I just washed and conditioned it, and that was it. I am not the kind of person that just like puts a bunch of stuff in my hair. I feel like if I have to put all that stuff in the hair, it's just not good hair to begin with. I don't want to weigh the hair down and put oils and all these things in it. I really don't find that necessary if the hair is good quality. So yeah, the hair is really great. I can't say enough good things about it. I'm so happy to be working with Unice hair. I can't wait to try their other textures, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everybody wants to know where to get good bundles, and girl, I got all the options, all the flavors. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below, and hopefully by the time this video is up, the Clayee Peruvian Jerry Curl review will be up, because I know you guys are like dying to see that video, and I am so sorry, but I'm working, I'm in school. Like, your girl is a very busy sis right now. We love a busy sister, but not a sister that is too busy to post on her channel. Thank you guys so much for 560 subscribers. Like, we are halfway to 1,000, and I never thought that I would ever, and I mean, I'm being really dramatic because 560 is still not a lot, but it's still more than I ever thought that I would get when I first started my YouTube. And we're just going to keep growing from here, and you're going to get more consistency from me, and we're going to be good. It's going to be a good time. But please, talk to me in the comments. I answer every single one of my comments, no matter what. I'm always down there in the comments to talk to you guys. If you have questions about the hair, if you have like anything that you want to ask me, I will be down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well so that you can keep coming back to my videos and you'll know when I post the next one. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Listen to my heart go by.
Be-dee-da-do.